Good evening, everyone. JC Fire back in action. I got a partner in crime tonight, and like I've always said before, if I have a partner in crime, things don't always tend to go well. So, with that being said, I got in my subscription box for my Heatness subscription box. I did get the honey that they just released, the Heatness honey. And on top of the Heatness honey, I got Chipotle Express, but I've already had the Chipotle Express. You guys have probably seen the videos for that, right? But then we got this guy right here. The Bomb Evolution. Right there it is. Right there it is.
Why are you so
excited? Angel with me all the time. Nothing good ever comes out of this. So, I guess Heatness likes to sell all natural products. They don't like to sell products that have, Heatness doesn't like to sell products that have extract in them. So everybody that knows the original Da Bomb has extract in it. And yes, the Da Bomb Beyond Insanity is extremely hot, but it tastes like metal basically. So, and that's just because of the extract in it. But we got this guy right here. So, basically, red hot chilies have evolved and sauce design has changed in tandem. After traveling beyond insanity, we returned to ground zero and found the final answer. This is our evolution, a more sophisticated bomb, brutal heat for some of the hottest peppers known to man. This sauce is extremely hot, and basically it does not tell you what chilies they use, so I'm suggesting based on what I just read you that it is going to be super hot chilies, right? So we got super hot chilies, basically red hot chili peppers, not the band, water, vinegar, salt, spices including paprika and turmeric, minced garlic, cane sugar, garlic powder. Oh, it's got extra virgin olive oil, which will be nice for a nice, smooth, almost like creamy texture to it. Onion powder, lemon juice concentrate for some of that sour juice to it. Cilantro, but then mint on the backside. I'm interested to see how the mint goes.
I predict pain.
It smells hot. It smells like pure, super hot peppers. No extract, though. No extract, so it's not going to taste like chemicals, right? Oh, it pours pretty nice. Oh,
that's a lot.
That's a hefty spoonful. Here at JC Fire, we don't mess around. We do full spoonfuls. If you can't get down, then you're a clown. I don't know. That's not the JC Fire motto. The JC Fire motto is spice it up for all those out there. Well, I got some on my finger, but I'm not going to tempt at it. So here we go. Da Bomb Evolution. Let's see what it's all about. Cheers. Oh.
I don't taste any mint. Ooh. It's slowly building for me.
It's got super hot heat in the ears, on the back of the throat. It's hot.
It's building.
It's hot. Oh, I get the hiccups.
That doesn't happen all
I get the hiccups. Wow, that's got a kick.
Yeah, it's hotter than I thought it was gonna be honest.
I honestly thought it wasn't gonna be that hot. I just got a kick.
It feels like I licked an explosion. Da bomb.
I got the hiccups. And my eyes are watering. Wow. I just got a kick to it.
My tongue is melting.
Oh my gosh. I don't hiccup too often from sauces.
But when I do.
I don't hiccup too often from sauces, but woo! So I taste very pepper forward. A lot of heat from the peppers. I taste a lot of the powder in it.
Yeah.
So you get a lot of like that powdery taste to it. I picked up some of that like garlic powder, some of that onion powder in it. I don't pick up too much of the turmeric. I do pick up the paprika though.
No mint yet.
I'm surprised. So the mint on the backside, for the mint on the backside, I really did not taste the mint.
Just heat.
It's got kick to it.
I thought you were doing another spoon. Are you doing more? Shit.
Ooh. I'm salivating. It's hot. The rule is, what's the guy that does the pizza one bite?
I don't remember.
The pizza guy. It's like one bite. That's the rule. One bite. My tongue is on fire. 2 spoonfuls always.
Go ahead.
Should I pour it all over?
Yeah, go for it.
That has got a kick. I usually go in for 2 spoonfuls to get flavor outside of super hot peppers. I'm not getting a lot of flavor outside of peppers, some of that paprika, a little of that onion powder, a little of the garlic powder.
It's so thick.
It is thick. It's not mashy thick, but it's got thickness to it. And I think you get some of that creaminess from the extra virgin olive oil in there to kind of smooth it out. And I do pick up some of the lemon juice concentrate in there.
I don't.
I pick up a little bit of the backside. It's all about heat, though.
Whew.
It's hot. I actually got the hiccups from it. I got the hiccups. That's one of the scales that I get when I get something super hot. I get the hiccups, right? So this is my body's way of reacting when I get something super, super hot up in there. But that has got a bite. It's got tongue, pepper, viciousness right in the mouth and the throat. Shit's funny. I got the hiccups the first round, and I went in for the second spoonful, and I didn't get the hiccups. You look like you're hurting.
A little bit, yeah.
You're hurting a little bit?
A little bit. Had
And
worse,
I feel it in my chest.
It's bad.
I've had worse, but on a scale, this is definitely in the super hot category. It is not a hot sauce. Well, it is a hot sauce, but not like when we're ranking heat-wise. It is definitely in the super hot category. Note to self, for those that don't like the bomb Beyond Insanity,
Go bomb.
it doesn't taste like metal. It doesn't taste like that putrid chemical taste to it.
Water.
But it's got a kick. It's got my nose running. It's got my ears kicking. How you feeling?
Want another spoonful?
All right, we'll go. We'll go.
I was joking. All right, we're gonna do it.
He says 3 spoonfuls.
I regret it so much.
3 spoonfuls. Nothing good's coming out of this.
Why'd I say that?
Stupid stuff. It's hot. 3. Subtle.
I can taste the lemon.
The lemon. Very, 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 very subtle mint. Like on the back, you can pick up it just.
I'm not picking it up at all. Just
Ever so slightly. Not minty in a sense. Not minty in a sense, but ooh, it's got a kick. I can feel it all in my chest. I got the hiccups the first round. Let's be real. This is a all-natural version of the bomb that has got a significant kick to it. Tongue, throat, mouth. I pick up a lot of those spices, the paprika in there. I pick up subtle hints of the turmeric, some of that onion powder. I pick up that lemon juice concentrate for kind of just that sourness on the backside. But it's building though.
It is.
My nose is actually running. It's building. Oh. So if you're looking for the bomb, it has got a kick. It's hot. Definitely is one to throw in the super hot category. It's hit me in the ears. Got the hiccups. And the heat is just building. It's building. I got chest burn.
I'm gonna lay it.
It's hot. Heatness has it. Right there it is. The bomb. Evolution.
Da bomb.
No extract. It is extremely pepper forward without the mashiness. It's got a little bit more of like a creaminess texture to it from the olive oil in it. But it's hot and in pain. That is definitely one in the super hot category. There it is. Get at heatness.com. We'll have the link to Heatness in the YouTube video. 3 spoonfuls. 3.
Next time 4.
No 4. 3. So, have a great night. JC Fire, checking out.
Peace.